everyone. So it's 6 weeks post my spinal surgery and I'm in Hawaii right now, which is why the background's a little different. This is my first time being like pretty far away from my house since my surgery, and it actually feels pretty good. In today's video, I'm going to be like answering some common questions about the surgery, how I feel out of 1 to 10, with 1 being the worst ever and 10 being amazing. I say I feel like a 6 out of 10 in general right now, because I'm still having some discomfort and sometimes more like pain. Not all the time, just if I like sit down too long or stand up for too long. Okay, so the next question is, what's the worst part about recovery? I'd say the worst part for me is when I sit down for like a too long period of time, because then I start feeling some like back pain on like my upper back and sometimes my lower back as well. And then the next question is, what's the best part? I definitely say having a straighter spine, because that's like the whole point of the surgery, and it feels better knowing that I have a straighter spine than I did before. Okay, the next question is, am I still wearing a back brace? And the answer is yes, I am. I'm wearing a Providence nighttime brace to keep my lumbar curve at like around 30 degrees, and it's definitely like not the best having to wear it again, but hopefully it'll be worth it. And the next question is if I have any more surgeries. I have to hope not, because I've been like worn a back brace like several times and it hasn't really done much for me, but I'm hoping this time it'll work so I don't have to have the same surgery on my lumbar curve. Okay, and did I have any complications? I didn't have any, which is great. I like just sometimes I have, and like sometimes I have like an itchy side from where my scars are, like where they did the incisions and stuff. But other than that, that's not really a side effect. So basically, no, I haven't had any complications. Other question is, how many scars do I have? I have 9 scars, all on my right side, which is where they did the like surgery. Yeah, that's a pretty simple question, so there's not much else to say about that one. Okay, moving on is, have I gone back to sports? So yes, I have slowly, and I'm like, since I'm like basically fully cleared now, I'm like taking it easy to what sports I'm doing, but I have been slowly going back to them. So how many rods do I have in my spine? I have 8 in my thoracic curve. And do I still have any curve where the tether is? Yes, I do right now, but it's nowhere near as high as it was before. Like before, it was like 52 or 54 degrees. I can't remember what one, but it's nowhere near as it was before. And as I grow, the tether is going to stretch, making my spine even straighter. Next question is, have I gone back to school full time? So last week was actually my full first week back, and it takes time to get used to going back to school. I went home earlier for the first few weeks because my back couldn't manage the pain like fully, and it was still just a little too uncomfortable for me, but it's different for everyone. Okay, am I doing physical therapy? Yes, I have been doing yoga, Pilates, and I've been going to a chiropractor, and it's a little early to say if it's working, but it's definitely good to do just for the recovery. Okay, and the final question is, will I continue posting scoliosis videos? So the answer to that isn't certain, but maybe. If I have anything that's postable, I will definitely post it. But even if I don't, you can always still comment stuff, and I'll make sure to answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope all these questions can help.